Hey, this is Shay here, and in this video today, I want to show you a brand new campaign that I just recently started, and it's already making $300 per day. So if you are looking for ways to make money online, certainly keep watching this video until the very end. Okay, so I just want to jump straight in, straight away, try to make this video a little shorter and just really get straight to the point. Now, I'm going to show you 3 different networks, and there's something really unique about these networks and the campaigns that I'm actually running here, and that is that I'm getting paid for generating clicks. Yes, that's right. I'm actually getting paid for just the initial click, perhaps you could say at the start of a funnel. So, originally a visitor that comes to your website may click down on something, perhaps a button or so, whatever you have on your website, and then they may convert as a lead and you may get paid for that lead generation. Or after that, even after converting as a lead, they may then purchase something. So they've actually become a buyer and you have made a sale. So my point is, I get paid for generating just the click. And this is something that you may have probably never heard of before. And even if you have heard of it, you've probably never actually experienced it for yourself. So I really want to show you these actually 3 networks here I'm about to show you, and they're showing a campaign that I only just recently started, and I just showed these campaigns to my students the other day and they were super psyched up about it, super motivated. So I thought, hey, why not show someone such as yourself as well? Because I really think this can help you. Again, if you are trying to make money online, you've maybe haven't made even $1 yet online, you're still trying to figure things out. This is really going to help you. So let's just go through this first network here. As you can see, I've just got the first offer here. This is an offer that I'm running inside this network here, this first network. And what I want you to focus on actually, and I'm just going to extend this one out as well, this offer. These are the 2 best converting offers in here. As you can see, I pushed about 300 clicks or so roughly to these 2 that are highlighted here. Alright, and this one down here, for example, didn't actually do as well. This is normal though. It made about $43 with the same amount of traffic basically. This one here, $295. This one up here did $358. So quite a big difference there. So I stopped actually sending traffic continuously to that one. So I've focused on these offers alone in just this one network. But just take note of the top payout for the clicks here. So the top one is actually in this offer here, and it's $2.03. Alright, so I actually generated 59 paying clicks, and for each of those clicks I was getting paid, again, $2 per click. So that's network number 1, and I'll just jump over to the next one now. As you can see, if I didn't say earlier also, we're in May and I started this campaign just a few days ago. So I started it on the 8th. Alright, today is the 11th and we're just over halfway or so through today. So as you can see, just focusing on the click payouts again, so RPC, revenue per click, the highest here was actually just yesterday so far, and it's $5.15 per click. Alright, so per these 12 clicks, $61 made. Today is at $4.45, still going today though. $124 made today so far. So just focusing on the clicks though, so this one is up to $5 a click. The previous network was $2 a click. Now let me just jump over to the third network here, again running all the same dates. And if you're wondering, well, Shay, why are you running 3 different networks? How does that work? Well, let me just quickly explain. So what I have is basically a click rotator, and I'm able to separate a single traffic source across multiple different networks. Okay, so each time my visitor clicks on my link, it can point it to different networks for each click, whenever I get a different visitor. So visitor 1 that clicks on my rotator link could go to network 1 that I showed you here. The second person that clicks will go to network number 2. Okay, so it's split up like that automatically. So just moving on and focusing once again on EPC this time. The other ones were RPC, I believe, so revenue per click. This is earnings per click, so the same thing. Again, so if we look at the maximum cost per click so far in this one, it's $6.30. Alright, so the first network again was $2 a click I was getting paid. In the second network I was getting paid $5, up to $5 a click. In this one we're up to $6 per click. Alright, so that's super cool. And as you can see right here so far, $264.90 made, so almost 265 there. If we add all these networks together, again I only just started this a few days ago, and if we add them all together, the average is just over actually $300 a day. And I mean, that's if we just count it as 4 days total here, but this is going to jump up for today on the 11th again, but that's the average so far. And one of the main points of this video is to give you the opportunity to see exactly what I do with these campaigns, and especially how I get paid for generating just the clicks alone. If you are serious and you honestly want to know how I am doing this, then what you have to do is take action right now while I've decided to have this open for a short amount of time. So I already have my current students. I work closely with them. If you are serious and you'd like to join us and again see exactly how I'm doing this and more, then all you have to do is take action. And to take action, all you have to do is click the link at the top of the description. Alright, so I'm going to have a short bit.ly link just right at the top. So go ahead and click that right now, and then that will take you over to my site. Alright, and as soon as you are on my site, actually this is what you're going to see. So I'm just going to show you right here now, and it will make it super easy as soon as you land here as well. So again, click the link in the description, you'll land on my site here, then all you have to do is enter your email address right here. Okay, so your best email address, type that in and enter it in, then click the instant access button. Then what I'm going to do, the final thing, is to go check your email. Okay, the email address that you just typed in on my site here, go check that inbox. Look for my welcome email, because I'm going to have a bunch of important information in there that you're going to be able to take advantage of to get started today. And of course, if you have any questions straight away, just reply to my welcome email, because that will come straight to me and I'll be able to reply directly to you. So that's all for this video. Take action right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll work with you soon.